In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use section analysis in Fusion 360 to look inside your 3D models without actually cutting or modifying the geometry. This is a super useful tool when you're working with complex parts, assemblies, or internal features that are normally hidden inside the model. Engineers, designers, and students use this feature all the time to inspect wall thickness, check internal clearances, and understand how parts fit together. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a section view and move it through your model to inspect the inside of your design. And if you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into Fusion 360. First, open your model in Autodesk Fusion 360. This can be any part or assembly that you want to inspect. Once your model is loaded in the workspace, make sure you are in the design workspace so that all of the standard modeling tools are available. Section analysis works with both simple parts and complex assemblies, so it's perfect for examining internal features that you normally wouldn't be able to see from the outside. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Inspect. Inside the Inspect drop-down menu, look for the option called Section Analysis and click on it. As soon as you select this tool, Fusion 360 will ask you to define the plane that will be used to cut through the model. This plane determines where the cross-section will appear. Now you need to select a plane or a flat face on your model. You can choose one of the default origin planes, or you can click directly on any flat surface of your model. As soon as you select a plane, Fusion 360 will instantly preview the cross-section so you can see exactly where the model is being sliced. If the section isn't exactly where you want it, you can adjust it using the arrow manipulator that appears on the screen. Simply click and drag the arrow to slide the section cut forward or backward through the model. This allows you to explore different internal areas and inspect details that would normally be hidden. Once you are happy with the position of the section, click OK in the dialog box. Fusion 360 will now create a live section analysis that stays visible in your workspace. You'll immediately see a cross-section view of your model, which reveals the internal geometry, cavities, and structures inside the design. This makes it much easier to analyze wall thickness, internal features, and part alignment, especially when working on engineering designs or mechanical assemblies. And that's how you use section analysis in Fusion 360 to quickly inspect the inside of your models. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials, CAD tips, and design workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.